Okay, this is what we're going to learn the stitch. This is called the offset filet net. I think it's pretty interesting. So let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm just using a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook, and I'm just using a medium 4-weight yarn. You can use any yarn you'd like. You can use any hook size that you like. Okay, so to start off, this is going to be an even number of stitches plus 3 for your foundation row. So I'm going to chain 14 for my even number. Okay, that's how I started off. Then I chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we've got 14 chains, and like I said, this is just a sample to teach you how to do this stitch. So now we're going to chain 3 for our foundation. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we're going to double crochet in the 5th chain from the hook. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so you just made a double crochet. Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to skip the next chain right here. We're going to double crochet in this next chain. Just like that. And we're going to repeat from the chain 1. Chain 1, skip this next chain, double crochet in the next chain. Okay, and you just keep repeating that. Chain 1, skip a chain, double crochet in the next chain. Chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next chain. Okay, chain 1, skip the next chain, double crochet in the next chain. Okay, now we're going to chain 1 and double crochet in this last chain. Okay, here's what you have. Now it's row 1. So for row 2, we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to skip this first double crochet. We're going to double crochet in the next chain space right there. So we're going to make a double crochet in this chain space. Okay, now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to skip this next double crochet, and we're going to double crochet in this chain space, and that's going to be our repeat. We're basically going to be chain 1, double crochet in the chain 1 space all the way across, just like that. Okay, oh, all right, chain 1, double crochet in that next chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1. Okay, so now what we're going to do is double crochet. You chained 4, so we're going to double crochet right underneath that 4, which is, you know, represents the a chain 1. Okay, so there we are. And so you're just going to keep repeating this row 2. So you're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your work. That's a double crochet and a chain 1. And so you're going to start off double crochet in this first chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and you just keep repeating that. Just like that. Chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, double crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 1, and then right here you're going to, that was your 4th chain, so you're going to double crochet, and that's all you do. You just keep repeating that. And you should have the same amount of double crochets per row. I have 8, 8, and 8. Okay. All right, guys, that's all you need to do, and it will look like this. So just keep repeating that row 2. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.